Welcome back to Right Style Cooking TV. Today I'm gonna do brown stewed snapper. In this bowl I have two species of snappers. This is the red snapper. This is yellowtail snapper. These are two of the most used snappers in cooking. Also two of the most delicious snappers. All scales removed. Okay, gonna season now. Make a score on the side, just like that. On both sides of all the snappers. I'll cover them and let them rest for 30 minutes. Okay, in the Dutch oven I have 1 cup of cooking oil and I fried 2 cloves garlic. It's a good practice to fry a couple of cloves of garlic when frying fish inside your house. The aroma from the garlic will take out the scent of the fish. Okay, I'm gonna put in the fish now. Frying on medium heat. That will help the stew to thicken. You don't need to brown the fish all the way through. You just want to get some color on them and have a little hardness on the side so that when it's cool, you don't break apart. Okay, I'm going to do a quick mix. Green onions or scallions with white onions, red and green bell pepper right now. Lovely looks. These will be sauteed until the onion becomes transparent. This aroma is beautiful. Wow. Now I'm gonna add some chopped carrot and some chopped celery. Okay, I'm gonna start adding the dry seasoning. 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon complete seasoning, 1 teaspoon parsley mix, a teaspoon jerk seasoning, teaspoon garlic powder, and a teaspoon salt. That's it for now, for the dry seasoning. Now I'll add a teaspoon Worcestershire sauce, two teaspoons soy sauce, now that the vegetables are sauteed, time to make the stew. I'm gonna add enough water to cover all the fish. That's enough water to cover all the fish. Then you add the fish. Need a little bit more water. That's it. Just enough water to barely cover the fish. I cover the pot. Wow, how lovely those snappers look with all those brilliant vegetables, green peppers, or bell peppers, red and the green, and the carrots, and it's bubbling just fine. I'll give it another 5 minutes and then we'll be off. Take it off and maybe start munching. Okay. The brown stewed, yellowtail, and red snapper is now finished cooking. I'll be turning off the stove in a matter of minutes. How lovely it looks. Great aroma. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.